I have curated a gift for you that's really special, and it's just for this workshop. I've never offered it before, and it's something that you can do today to put into action. And the reason behind this is I have been asked by almost everyone I've talked to in my workshop for more. And I've been asked if it's possible to work with me more after the workshop, and it's possible. There are two ways that you can work with me. I work with teachers and parent teams where we work together in small groups. And I also work directly with struggling readers using an Orton Gillingham model. And I work one-on-one with struggling readers, of course. And both of these options at the moment are unavailable. And my calendar is full. And I currently have a wait list. But a teacher friend of mine suggested that I offer a starter kit. And so I'm really excited to share this with you today. I've created only for this workshop. It's for educators, it's for parents, it's for students. And this reading wellness course includes video, and it includes audio, training, downloadable PDFs, membership to an educators community, and a free one-on-one call with me. So when you enter the course, this is what you'll see right here. This is the course right here. So you get some progress monitoring tutorials. You get a full week of lessons that you can put your headphones on like this, or your students can put their headphones on like this and you can just do it. Or you can watch the videos, learn how to do it yourself, and then you can teach your students actually how to do it as well. There's mindfulness. There's 3 mindfulness audios that your students can put their headphones on, or you can. And then this is my favorite part, and this is what makes this so unique and one of a kind. This is why I love this so much. I don't just want to give you this course and say goodbye. I want to walk through it with you. I want to answer your questions, to be there for your wins and your challenges, and create a space for you to support each other and cheer each other on, no matter the country or the time zone. So this is an exclusive group for teachers and to connect with each other. And with me, where I'm going to facilitate this and hold a once a week Q&A, question and answer, live with you. It's a positive and uplifting community of educators, teachers, parents, people who educate struggling readers. So this starter kit for the reading wellness course. So you can either take your phone and take a picture of this. It's $13. You join, you pay the $13, and then you start, and you have all of this for yourself forever. It's yours forever. And the link is in the chat box. You can use this, take a picture of this, and it'll bring you to it. And if you have any questions, please let us know. I see the link is there. So go ahead, click on that. This is what you'll see. After you go, click on the link, you'll see this. You'll join, you'll just put in your email address. You'll join, you'll pay $13. That is a really great deal. And that's it. You're in. It's yours forever.